Hello, my name is Michael DeAngelo, and I'm going to cover the use of role templates when governance is enabled for your organization. So first of all, the purpose of role templates is to provide a starting point for defining a role that is frequently created throughout the organization. One example of a role might be project managers. So it might be that for your organization, there are frequently project managers created throughout, and they often will have very similar role definition. And just to make things a little bit easier for departments as they create that role, we want to establish a template. So first of all, where role templates are set is in the admin menu. There is a option called organization settings. We select organization settings, and under features in subsection role or features, you'll see a section called role templates. So this will list out all of the existing role templates that you've created. And if you want to add a new role template, you hit the add button and it pulls up a form. We're going to just modify the existing project manager form, use this for the sake of time. So here's a project manager, the purpose, uh, the various accountabilities. You can add additional accountabilities if you want and modify them however you'd like. You hit save, and now you have this template that exists that can be used in the governance process. So let's go to one of the circles and let's start a governance process. Let's say back office ops, we're going to start governance and they want to add a project manager. So they're going to come in here. Let's say they have project manager's attention. They present the tension and their proposal is to have a new role or circle. And they're going to choose it from a template. So here is the list of templates that show up. And they're going to choose project manager, and it pre-populates this form. Now you're not required to use it. You can now modify it. So the person that's making a proposal can come and make any changes. They can modify the purpose. They can remove some accountabilities or add some accountabilities, whatever they would like. And this is what's presented in the governance process. And let's say it goes through it, proposal is accepted. And it's like any other, at this point, it's like any other proposal you want to make. Now we'll see that in the back office ops, we have a project manager with those definitions. All right, that's how you use role templates when governance is enabled.